I want to show you how you can install VMware on your PC without having any issue. So I noticed there is a problem with installation using this link in this top. So now there is a way to make these things work. To start with, I will show you the problem. If I'm clicking this link, then if I'm trying to open this link in the browser, it returns an error. So it's saying this site can't be reached. Checking the proxy and the firewall, and then the objects GitHub user container took long to respond. So what is happening here is this: the URL which is containing this file has received a lot of requests. Based on the firewall configuration of this URL, it limits the number of requests that it can respond to. So because of that, we need to change our IP address so that we can access this site using a different IP. So to do that, the first thing I would encourage is to get a VPN. So you can go over to the Microsoft Store if you're on Windows, and then search for a VPN. You can get any of the VPNs you want, but we just needed a VPN that does just the basic work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the VPN I'm using from here. So this is the VPN I'm using, the Hotspot Shield. This one. So I have it already installed. So I'm going to open this VPN. So what I'm gonna do now is to open the VPN. Now I'll click here. I don't have money to pay, so I'm gonna click here and then click connect. So now the VPN is connected. What it does is it changes our IP address from this part of the world to a different part of the world, so that it will look as if we're not from Nigeria. So now what we're going to do is to click on the link again and see what happens. Now this is the link, so I'm going to click on it again to see what happens. Good. So now if you can see, it started to download the VMware now. So but because I've already downloaded it, I would stop this and then I'll head over to the installation. So after downloading the file, what you have to do now is to install the file. So I'll head over to my downloads. This is the file, and I'll click on it. Now it will prompt me to install. I'll click yes. Now the installation here has started. Be mindful of these dialogues on the taskbar. I think is this thing downloading again? I'll have to stop this one. So now we can head over to this dialog down there. I'm going to close everything. So it is preparing to install. going to take some time depending on the processor speed of a PC. So now the next thing to click is next to allow installation. Check this box here to accept the terms in the license agreement. Click next. Then click on install Windows Hyper-V platform automatically. Click on this. Now you can either choose to enhance keyboard driver or not, or just use it. So I'm gonna leave it as the default because it works fine for me too. I'm gonna click next. I'm gonna click next and then install. So now the installation has started, and this installation will take some time to complete. So I'm gonna wait until it's done. All right, you would see that it has completed the VMware Workstation Pro setup wizard. So now the next thing to do is to add a license to this software. So we can choose to finish, or we can choose to add a license now. So now for a better experience, I will choose to add the license now, or you can even choose to add the license later on if you wish to. So to do that, I will head over here and click on the keys to choose a key from here. I'm gonna choose the third one. I don't know why I'm attracted to the third one, but I'm gonna choose that. So I'm gonna choose, that, then click enter. Now it says completed the VMware setup. So I'm gonna click finish. So now the VMware Workstation has been successfully installed. You should see the desktop icon here, and you can open it to see what the user interface looks like. Now, so all you just needed was a VPN to change your IP address so you can be able to download this file. So that is all, and I hope this offered you some help. We'll see you again in the next video.